How to play Blox Fruits on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain the PC controls for Blox Fruits. So for movement, you can use the WASD keys, which is W to move forward, S to move backward, A to move left, D to move right. Press the spacebar to jump and press it twice for a double jump. Use the Q key to dash, but remember that dashing and double jumping require energy. If your energy is low, you won't be able to dash. To move your camera, hold down the right mouse button and drag. Higher DPI or mouse sensitivity will make your camera move faster. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the inventory or hotbar, which each item has a corresponding number. To select an item, press the number on your keyboard that matches its position in the hotbar. 1 for the hand combat, 2 for your fruit, 3 for your weapon. Click the mouse button to punch or use your weapon, and use the scroll wheel to zoom in or out. When you have weapon or fruit selected, you will see the move set at the bottom, which shows keys to press for each ability. The typical keys for abilities are Z, X, C, V, and F. Your move set will consume energy during the combat, especially at lower levels. If you have a controller connected to your PC while playing Blox Fruits, the key bindings displayed will correspond to the controller buttons instead. Make sure to aim at your target with your cursor when using an ability. To access your extended inventory, press the back code located under the ESC button. Additionally, press R to flash step, press T to use your character's ability, Z to activate your aura, E or K to toggle your instinct on and off. Now you know the PC controls for Blox Fruits. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.